Hi foodies, this is the Angwamo recipe you didn't know you needed. While at it, let's talk about the evolution of some Ghanaian meals. I remember back in the day when Angwamo used to be called a here for fried rice. Now look at Angwamo joining the DBs. Because tell me why every ingredient used for Angwamo now is expensive. From the oil to the rice to even the tomatoes we use in grinding pepper. Don't even get me started on the eggs we use. This brings me to how there was some food in the Ghanaian household that was only prepared on special occasions, but they've become our everyday food now. I love how lots of things have become easier now because when I was in school, my parents used to send me money from abroad and they had to use a money transfer service where I had to go to the bank, join a long queue, answer security questions to the extent of the bank even calling to confirm if I was the one they really sent the money to. And it was stressful. Me and stress are not friends. That's why I choose Lemfi to transfer money back home now that I'm abroad. With Lemfi, you can send money from the US, UK, Canada at zero transfer fees to Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and some other African countries that are listed in the caption. So, bugger, download the Lemfi app, and when you send your first $100, you get $30 cash back instantly. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please follow for more.